Conheça as recomendações tecnológicas da Vintage Tech Brasil.
Introducing the new product, SHARGE-SSD. A super mini-size M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure.
It's about to drop.
Feature with silicone protect case and Type-C mail port. SHARGE-SSD can easily be adapted to a variety of devices, brings you an unprecedented experience. With our lanyard data cable, take the SHARGE-SSD with you anywhere, more conveniently. The active heat dissipation system helps SHARGE-SSD remain at the best working temperature and makes data transmission faster and more stable. Huge capacity. Super fast transmission speed. This is SHARGE-SSD. More suitable for your needs. No lagging, no waiting. Experience the speed of a rocket. Always protect your precious data. Tool-free when you change your SSD. Store more games. Enjoy every second of your gaming time. One SHARGE-SSD. Infinite possibilities.
Are you ready?
Supercharge all your devices with one charger? Introducing the new Anker Prime charging station. Search Anker Prime now.
If you want a fan that's actually strong, get this one. This is the A-Coolie high-speed table fan. When you first turn it on, it tells you the battery life. And then there are 5 different speed levels going all the way up to 100%. My favorite part about this fan is that it's rechargeable via USB C and it's completely wireless. So you can put this in your bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. It doesn't matter where it goes, but you won't have to plug it in. The fan has a 4000 mAh battery built in. So on the lowest setting, this is gonna last you up to 20 hours and on the highest, about 5. If you wanna go ahead and grab one of these before they sell out, I'll link them down in the orange shopping cart for you.
最近却有消费者爆料，就说酒店里面竟然是藏有摄像头，而且还不止一间房有这种情况。
Deixe seu like e inscreva-se em nosso canal. Temos novidades 2 vezes por semana. Quer ver uma seleção específica de produtos? Peça nos comentários. A Vintage Tech Brasil agradece a sua visita. Veja também esses produtos tecnológicos que selecionamos para você.